Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is understandably, Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being a staggeringly inventive innovation, Ethereum is likewise an incredible resource for speculation. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly, yet it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers cosmic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, recall that because of the unusual and unpredictable nature of the digital money market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be accepted tentatively. This video doesn't comprise venture exhortation. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to look into the resource you're working with. While digital money costs, in contrast to those of conventional resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability out of nowhere turns out to be particularly popular. As a renowned and famous digital money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. The vast majority have caught wind of its association with savvy contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. Nonetheless, that is not entirely there as to that coin since Ether brings significantly more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is renowned for being a decentralized and open-source evidence of work blockchain with savvy contracts usefulness. Not at all like Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stockpile. Perhaps of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to defeat soon is its always rising exchange charges, or, as they're required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas expenses become, making the coin's developing prevalence a situation with two sides. Increasingly more cryptographic forms of money with comparable functionalities, yet less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, as Solana, Sol, keep on arising. Notwithstanding, the execution and send-off of the merge will probably turn what is happening near and address at any rate a portion of these issues. By the day's end, what separates ETH from different coins is the range of this digital money's capabilities. Ethereum has a lot of cool elements and plans for the future. For this reason, this digital currency is as well known among crypto financial backers for all intents and purposes. ETH isn't simply a theoretical resource, it has genuine worth. Ethereum Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $2,405.07. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,898.64. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,503.94. August 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $2,224.93 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,432.09. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $2,145.83 in August 2022. ETH price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Ethereum costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $2,291.68. The least and pinnacle ETH rates may be $2,212.58 and $2,543.34. October 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ETH cost will be around $2,383.34. In October 2022, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $2,304.25. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,657.92 in October 2022. ETH price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Ethereum costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,777.09 in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $2,351.91. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Ethereum is almost $2,431.01. December 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,503.94. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the Ethereum price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,645.51. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $4,228.43. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3,745.67 in 2023. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $5,239.91 and $6,345.88, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5,389.74. Ethereum price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Ethereum and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $7,336.82. While its greatest can reach $8,984.84. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $7,606.30. Ethereum price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ETH costs are normal in 2026. $13,080.47 and $11,109.58. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 11